Your ads are bleeding you dry. Download the cheat sheet and 2 tools that flip your ROI fast. Would you take a stack of $100 bills, walk to the nearest dumpster, set them on fire? The biggest profit killer in your business is something you don't even realize is happening. Most businesses waste 50 to 90% of their ad spend. You pay for clicks. People land on your site. They look around for 10 seconds. Then they leave forever. Traffic without a conversion path equals wasted money. 98% of the people visiting your website leave without a trace. Your website is not a salesperson. Most business owners treat their website like a digital business card. The number one ad spend mistake: sending traffic to a homepage. A sales funnel is not just a website. It's a carefully designed path that guides visitors from curious to customer. Your ad spend work for you? How much are you really paying for clicks? Multiply that by hundreds or thousands of clicks every month. They assume clicks equals sales.